Welcome back to What's Cooking at HEPL. My name is Heidi Harold. I'm a public services librarian at Hamilton East Public Library. To celebrate the bicentennial of Hamilton County, we are going to be cooking carrot fritters from the Conner Prairie Cookbook. Also, check out my interview with Kevin Carter from Conner Prairie to hear about the museum and historical cooking techniques. Step 1 is to boil the carrots. I peeled the carrots. I'm not sure they would have done that historically, but I thought it would be better for taste. So we'll let the carrots boil. The carrots have finished boiling, and now I am going to mash them. So now I have mashed the carrots. I'm going to add 6 eggs and 1 cup of flour. I'm going to mix this together. Then I'll add a little cream. You could also use white wine if you didn't want to use cream. And then add a little sugar. I have actually 3 tablespoons sugar. Now we are going to cook the fritters in lard. Now we are going to take a little bit of juice from a Seville orange and then sprinkle with sugar. And that's it, carrot fritters.